Alright, chat. People versus nature fails. Crazy weather caught on camera.
It's Fox 5 and I'd like to report a light, sunny day today with light showers, maybe.
Oh my god. Yo, that was perfect timing.
Oh, get out! Oh, go, leave! He's got the knee! Oh, brace yourself!
Yo!
Oh, she's gone. Oh.
Yo! Do you know what that reminded me of? That reminded me of, you know when you go on the log flume? Is it the log flume? Log flume? I don't know. A log ride where you just go crashing into water.
Oh my god! Oh my
shit.
god!
Don't play around with Mother Nature, man. Oh, that would be scary. That would be scary. Oh my god, how strong is that?
Oh, you're not looking back? Oh, close in, bye-bye. Oh,
He just accepted it. He just accepted it. You sure it's not covering that car there? Wait, it's sweeping it back. Wait, guys, you're cheering. The guy might fucking drown. Bro, the water's bringing him back out and swallow it. Yo, stop cheering. He might be drowning. What do you mean, oh well? Wait, is he sinking? Wait, what?
Holy crap.
Yo, they're massive.
Just busted my window.
Oh my god.
Holy crap.
I've never seen hailstone that big.
Oh my god.
Oh, I knew it.
Oh my word! Did you see that? Did you see? Did you just see that?
Yeah. Bro, where's he at? Hell?
Heavenly Father, please help us. Please help us to be safe.
Yo, that's crazy. Oh shit. Bye-bye. Hey, they're determined for the shot, bro.
Oh, she still got the camera.
They're determined for the shot. What you'll do for the Instagram. Things you'll do for the Instagram. Oh, that would hurt on the rocks. That would hurt.
It's like baseballs here. It is ruining our house. We've got holes in the roof everywhere. They are the size of baseballs.
Wait, how on earth, like, is this real? How do you get hailstone this big? How do you get hailstone this big?
Holy
That's crazy. That's mad. Oh shit. Yeah, get back inside. Yo. Get back inside. Get back inside, bro. Get back inside. You're horrible. I seen that. No, she's actually horrible, bro. She's going hell. She's going to hell. She's watched these suffocate, like, bro, she's watched these struggling, mate. And she just closed the elevator. She just closed it on them. Yo! Hey, it's taking a big bro. mad. Hey, Granny's got to do a shot. Granny's got to do a shot. Granny, you'll have to boot open. Granny, you'll have to boot open. She don't care. She don't care. She does not care, bro. Oh my god, that could have killed her. Oh my god, that could have killed her. That could have buried her.
Oh, jeez. That's gone.
Bro, how are they so calm? Why are they so calm? It's literally taking your house. Oh, shit. Oh, that's gonna drop. That's gonna fall. That's gonna fall. Oh my god. Yo, watching this video just reminds me why I don't go outside. This is why I like to stay indoors. This is why I like to stay indoors. Wait, my head was in the way? My head was in the way, what? Oh. What, this dropping? Oh, you don't really see anything, you just see fall. Just see that. Don't miss much. Yeah, we don't get this kind of weather in the UK anyway. Yo, I complain about UK weather being miserable all the time. You know what? I'm actually thankful it's miserable. You know, because I couldn't survive this, man. Like, what even is this? Is this Antarctica overloading? Bro, what?
And right down here is the penis of snow my wife found.
What the fuck?
What is that again, honey?
That is mad. Yo, you know if you're out in that, bro, how strong is that dropping down? Like, would that actually, like, fucking, could that kill you? Like, let's say I'm an 85-year-old granny that can barely walk. Would that kill me? That is mad. That is mad. In dense cars. That's mad. Oh. Don't hit the rocks, bro. This is gonna be bad. This is... Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Huh? What? Yo, that's a sick water fountain. Oh shit, they're in a boat. Oh, that was bad.
Hang on.
Oh my god. Oh my god, mommy! Oh my god! Get Mike, look at your line.
Yo, this is crazy wind, mate. Wait, is that lava? Oh shit. Where they going? Oh my god. Wait, earthquakes can be that bad? What? I thought earthquakes was like this, bro. Ready? Watch. I thought this was an earthquake. Done. Yo, you know what? I'm actually thankful I'm in the UK, bro. We don't get anything bad. We don't get anything crazy. Wait, what happened? You just fell out your car? Wait, what? I should just... Oh, is that ice? I'm missing out. Yeah, I don't think I am. What is this? Is that tornado? Oh shit, yeah, you better go. Yo, don't be around these sunbeds. When this hits, that's gonna be bad. Hey, you better run. Hey guys, why are you not running? Run. Hey kids, run. Wait, that's my car. That's my car! Yo, we're good. We're good. We're good. Bro, that's my BM! We're good. We're good. We're good. Bro, I thought that was mine! That's my exact car! Same color, same everything, bro. Not anymore. Oh my god, they're in a tent. Yo.
That is incredible.
That does look sick.
As I've seen on YouTube when they've been hit by lightning before, I've seen the trees do it on videos, but I've never seen one for real.
Yo, that does look sick. Get ready to jump. Get ready to jump.
Are you okay?
Hang on, Marie, hang on.
Wait, what? I didn't say. Oh my god. Yo. This might be the coolest fish I've ever seen in my life, bro. Yo, this might be the... He got fish stick.
Oh, this is stupid. Oh, this is so f***ing stupid. I flooded the engine.
Oh, yo.
We gotta let it go, we gotta let it go, guys. Back up. Turn into it, let it go.
Oh, boy.
I think your car's broke. What is this? What the fuck is... What? Are these Star Wars huts? What do you mean ice? What do you mean ice? It's brown. How is that ice? It's brown. It's brown. Muddy ice? Oh, what the fuck? Oh yeah, sorry, Star Wars. Oh, look at me. Well, you know this is going to be bad. You guys are... All of these here are absolute idiots. They're all dumb. They're all dumb. You know this is bad. You know this is going to do that. You know it's going to do that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Holy shit.
He's good. He's good. He's good.
Oh my god.
He's good. Bro, that was that truck's fault. Okay. This is actually scary, bro. Because what if the wind goes the other way and blows them overboard? That's scary. Or the bridge collapsed. Oh shit. Bro, did one of them like drive through a hornet's nest? Oh, rip cards. Unlucky cards. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh, screw you. Yo, that's how you know how strong that is. The fact that it's moving those cars with handbrakes on that easily. It literally moved it like butter.
Cheese. Smile. Yo, smile. Yo.
That's cute. That's cute. That's cute.
No more marshmallows, man. Don't worry, we have 2 packs.
What's that? What is that? Water?
We tried to find the drains.
Reverse waterfall? What? That was good, though. That was good. Don't mess with Mother Nature, dude.